children come to the museum, what do they find? Clear music, strange little figures, mysterious phenomena, or perhaps a magical old man and his workshop. Maybe the heart of a craftsman is not so different from the heart of a child. Old Chen always seems able to meet a child's gaze, as if they share some secret signal. Sometimes, the children's enthusiasm even leaves the nearly 70-year-old old Chen a little flustered. Adults may be surprised by such a scene. Museum pieces that children are allowed to touch, innocent questions that are gently answered, and every corner open to curious minds and curious hands. So when children come to the museum, what can they learn? Old Chen gives his answer.